Research aptitude, class 1. Meaning, the term research comprises of two words, namely re and search. Re means again and search means to find out. Research, that means search of searched, means to elect some facts out of a known things. There is a general agreement that research is point 1, a process of inquiry and investigation. Point 2, systematic and methodical. Point 3, increase knowledge. Research objectives: gain familiarity with a new phenomenon or develop new insight into a phenomenon. Review and synthesize the existing knowledge. Point 3, to portray accurately the characteristics of a particular individual, situation or group. Generate new knowledge. Explore and analyze more general issues. Then comes to the characteristics part. The characteristics parts consist of 7 points. Point 1, objectivity, research without any bias. Reliability, it means consistency, getting same or similar results can be termed as verifiability. Then comes to the next part, that is validity. Stands for accuracy of procedures, research, instruments, tests, etc. Then comes to the next part, that is accuracy. Degree to which research processes, instruments and tools are related to each other. Then comes to the next part, that is generalizability. Degree to which research finding can be applied to a large population. And the next 6 point is systematic. Research should follow a definite procedure. And the 7th point is replicable. Results of research can be verified. Then comes to the next part, that is types of research. On the basis of objectivities, point 1, exploratory, that means explore. To explore anything is called exploratory. Then the next point is descriptive, describing the explored events, that is called descriptive. Then the third point is correlational, relationship between two variables, not cause and effect. Then comes to the fourth point, that is experimental, experiment. The 5th point is explanatory, that is explain why things happen, explains cause and effect relationship. The next point is on the basis of outcome or classification. That is consist of 2 parts. That is, one is fundamental and another one is applied research. Fundamental research based on theories and the applied research based on practical research which have end product. The applied research further consists of action, that which is immediate, like company, school, factory, that immediate actions used there. Then on the basis of logic, point 1 deductive and the point 2 is inductive. Deductive, which is general to particular, and the inductive, that is particular to general. Then types of research which was based on the basis of process, that is divided into two parts, that is one is quantitative and the another one is qualitative. Quantitative which refers to number and the qualitative which refers to audio or video. Then on the basis of inquiry mode, the research divided into two parts, that is one is structured and the another one is unstructured. On the basis of idea or concept, the research divided into two parts. One is conceptual and the another one is empirical. Conceptual basis on the theory fundamental and the empirical based on the practical and applied research.